Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best flux core wire that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Yixeng DD 4-pack 0.030 flux core welding wire. This bundle features 4 2-pound spools made of high-quality AWS E71T GS mild steel, which ensures consistent performance and superior weld strength. The spools are constructed from durable ABS plastic, designed to resist damage during transportation and withstand wear and tear in your welding setup. Performance-wise, this wire delivers smooth arc action and high feedability, making it ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Its gasless design allows for welding in all positions, even in outdoor or windy conditions. The low spatter formula and easy slag removal result in clean welds with minimal post-weld cleanup. However, while the packaging is vacuum sealed for moisture and dust protection, users may find the overall size and weight of the bundle more suitable for extended projects rather than quick fixes. This product is great for those who need a reliable, high-volume solution for diverse welding applications, including galvanized, stainless, and mild steel. However, its larger pack size may not be ideal for casual users. Pros include durable spools, excellent weld quality, and versatile applications. The downside is the lack of pricing transparency and the fact that it caters more to heavy-duty needs than lightweight jobs. Coming in at number 4 is the Sondler .030 Flux Core Welding Wire, a 3-pack bundle that offers great value for frequent welders. Each spool is vacuum sealed to protect against moisture and dust, ensuring optimal performance straight out of the package. This mild steel wire is engineered for smooth and efficient welding with low spatter and excellent slag coverage that makes cleanup a breeze. The Sondler wire is compatible with a wide range of MIG welding machines, including HF, Forney, and Harbor welders, making it a versatile choice for both beginners and professionals. Its performance on clean metal is impressive, delivering consistent bead quality and solid weld strength. However, some users might find the .030 diameter slightly limiting for thicker materials or heavy-duty projects. Ideal for T-joints, butt welds, and lap welds, this product is a great option for those seeking a balance between affordability and reliability. The pros include its vacuum-sealed packaging, low spatter, and compatibility with various machines. On the downside, its narrow diameter may not be suitable for all tasks, and the lack of pricing visibility might deter some buyers. At number 3, we have the Sondler .035 Flux Core Welding Wire. This 3-pack features spools made from premium AWS E71T GS carbon steel, which ensures excellent weld quality and durability. Designed for gasless MIG welding, this wire delivers stable performance with low spatter and smooth arc action, making it a great option for clean and efficient welds. Each spool is vacuum sealed for moisture and dust resistance, maintaining the wire's integrity during storage and transport. The .035-inch diameter is ideal for medium-duty applications, providing flexibility across a range of welding projects. However, its performance on thicker materials may not match that of larger diameter wires, which could be a limitation for heavy-duty professionals. This product is perfect for welders looking for a reliable and easy-to-use wire for general-purpose projects. Pros include its premium build quality, consistent performance, and user-friendly packaging. Cons are the narrower scope of use for heavy-duty applications and the absence of pricing details. Coming in at number 2 is the Welder Flux Core Gasless MIG wire. This dual specification bundle includes both .030 and .035 diameter wires, making it an excellent choice for welders who need versatility in their projects. The wire is made of AWS E71T GS mild steel and is designed for gasless welding, making it perfect for outdoor or windy conditions. The Welder wire stands out for its smooth arc action, low spatter, and easy slag removal, which result in clean and visually appealing welds. The spools are constructed from ABS plastic, ensuring durability and protecting the wire during transport. However, at 2 pounds per spool, it might not be the best choice for extended projects requiring larger wire quantities. Overall, this product is great for users who want flexibility and high performance in a compact package. Its pros include dual diameter options, excellent bead quality, and durability. The cons are the smaller spool size and lack of pricing transparency, which might not appeal to all buyers. Finally, at number 1 is the Lincoln Electric CO ED030584.035NR211 FluxGo wire, the premium choice for welders seeking top-notch quality. Priced at $16.39, this wire is designed for MIG wire feed welders and offers fast freezing characteristics, making it ideal for all-position welding. Its excellent slag removal and ability to produce high-quality welds even in moderate wind conditions set it apart from other options. The wire is perfect for outdoor jobs, thanks to its gasless design and occupational health and safety standards. While its features are impressive, the availability of only one spool size might limit its usability for larger-scale projects. Nevertheless, its reliability and consistent performance make it a favorite among professionals and hobbyists alike. In summary, the Lincoln Electric wire delivers exceptional value for its price and is best suited for welders who prioritize high-quality results. Pros include its fast freezing characteristics, ease of use, and performance in windy conditions. The downside is the limited spool size, which may not cater to heavy-duty needs. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.